Haga jing Rakhe ke Sngi Laitluid ke bahnyup kendai jongkari ke bala penlong haka kat santrik nailar. Penlong hamaran polo Shillong bat agani ke Sngi lawan bansaki di gipat ba ya ke jingyat parit dagi kenhon jagi kena skul bat kibai bat kumjo kibai program. Hakanong ba Shillong ya ke jing Rakhe penlong haka madan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Apollo Shillong. Kabau menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan here ka lama lairong kari bat syeme ka Rashtriya Salute. Jonggi lai pesan teligi kenhon kebayat parit berkentup bagi jeng sipai BSF CRPF ke East Khasi Hills Special Operation Team ke 1st MLP Battalion NCC Scouts bat Guides bat ki kenhon beper jongki school ha ke district East Khasi Hills. Ya ke Khusnam Police Medal for Meritorious Service laai Shah Ubili Graham Armarak Komandan bat Alan Eddie Marbanyang Assistant Sub Inspector bat ke Khusnam Fire Service Medal bat Meritorious Service laai Shorokesh Warjeri. Syuk akan kesini lepen kuk buram dengan Meritorious Service Medal ye ikong Badalin Karkongor Divisional Commandant ke Home Guards Shillong Home Guards Division bat naik Parsing CH Marak Central Institute of Civil Defence and Home Guards da ke Khusnam Meritorious Service Medal nakatnat Civil Defence and Home Guards ke Jylla. Hakani kesengi la samru ya ki certificate ke hospital ke Batreibha ki badai ke hospital sarkar bat ke hospital jagiriu shimet ha ke district East Khasi Hills ki balapan trai kam baru ya ke skim MHIS PMJAY ya ke PHC ke Batreibha la ai syakadangar PHC ke mau pelang CHC ke Maternal and Child Hospital ke Bakham Treibha la ai syaka Ganesh Das Government Maternal and Child Hospital bat ke hospital Kiriu Shimet Kabala Trei Khampa Kalalet Shaka Nazareth Hospital.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the marching contingent. May I remind one and all that this is the largest ever participation of contingents in the Independence Day celebrations in the capital city of Shillong. The saluting dives to take the salute now is the Border Security Force, led by its commander, Sub-Inspector Carlos Hussein. Following those leaves the contingent of the Central Reserve Police Force, led by Inspector K.P. Faraday. Arriving in the saluting guards to take the salute now is the East Khasi Hills Special Operation Team of the Himalaya Police. Following the NCC Boys contingent and arriving at the saluting guards to take the salute is the NCC Girls contingent. Taking the salute now is the Bharat Scouts and Guides contingent led by its commander, Elrich D. Jylla. And the following Home Guards. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving in the saluting guys who take the salute now is the NCC Boys contingent led by Senior Under Officer Deep Shankar Dev Barma. Following the NCC Boys contingent and arriving at the saluting dives to take the salute is the NCC Girls contingent, led by its commander Ibata Biancarci. Taking the salute now is the Bharat Scouts and Guides contingent, led by its commander Elrich D. Jylla. Leading the school's contingent in this year's Independence Day parade and arriving to take the salute is the contingent of Loreto Convent School, led by its commander Trisha Suna, flag bearer Eden H. Rona, and plaque bearer Risa Mahi Kabar. is Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School, led by its commander Jingiphuh, flag bearer Sharon Kandevsau, placard bearer Danishisha Markanyan. Following the Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School, Multi-Purpose High Secondary School, led by its commander Rishan Mame Khomsit. Hajaujam Jenny Chongboy. To take the salute now is the contingent of Holy Cross High Secondary School. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the contingent of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, led by its commander Nazarene Mibayada Bengo. Following the contingent of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is Stephen Memorial Secondary School, Colville, led by its commander Ila Wankamen Papa. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now, the contingent of St. Joseph's Secondary School, Jylla, Shillong. Following St. Joseph's and arriving at the saluting dais is BSF Girls Higher Secondary School, led by its commander Laitluid S. Suting. Salute is Labang Bengali Boys High Secondary School, led by its commander Nebujit Ho. Following Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is Hubert Memorial Secondary School, Oakling, led by its commander Elizabeth Dingo. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the band contingent of St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, led by its commander Jylla. Led by its commander Jylla. Following the St. Margaret's High Secondary School band and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is Mighty Mountain School, Shillong, led by its commander Ida L. Following the contingent from Mighty Mountain and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is Taking the salute now. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is BSF Boys Senior Secondary School, led by iphieng Guru. Marching band, led by its commander Ferrybirds Italy. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the final contingent in this year's Independence Day celebrations. Lead us
Friends, one thing is clear. Meghalaya is on the path of progress, and we are all on this glorious journey together. When I look back at the journey we began in 2018, it fills me with hope, confidence, and pride. Despite the global pandemic and other challenges, we are marching on the road of progress. Today, Meghalaya stands tall as the second fastest growing state in the country, just after Tamil Nadu. Our growth rate for 2024-25 at constant prices is 9.66%. This is double the state's growth rate of 5.1% in 2018 when the MDA government came to power. I am also proud to share that Meghalaya is the only state in the country which has achieved a consistent growth rate of about 10% over 3 consecutive years post the COVID pandemic. This is an achievement that all of us should be proud of. And how did Meghalaya transform from a state growing at 5% to a state growing at 10%? Friends, we are at a midway point in the 15-year journey from 2018 to 2032, when we commemorate 60 years of Meghalaya's statehood. In 2018, our GDP was less than 30,000 crores. In 7 years, we have doubled the GDP to 59,626 crores. In the next 7.5 years, we will more than double our GDP from current 60,000 crores to 1,40,000 crores. This increased GDP will lead to more jobs for our youth, more opportunities for every citizen, and make Meghalaya one of the top 10 states in the country. This is our Vision 2032. And the government is making every effort to make it a reality. As I look ahead to 2032, I envision a Meghalaya where our youth thrive in global workplaces and build successful enterprises at home, where our farmers' produce reaches international markets, where our athletes bring home Olympic medals, and where our women are the forefront of progress. I see every village connected, every household empowered, and every child confident about the future. Let us continue this journey together with a shared purpose and commitment to building a better tomorrow for Meghalaya. Once again, I wish each and every one of you a very happy Independence Day. Kublai, Matila, and Jylla.
Lasamro ikikusnam shkinong job aga jingat match pass akaba ka Loreto Convent Shillong ka BSF Girls High Secondary School ka St. Joseph's High Secondary School kelayo ka Pedran Benengkong Baarbat Balai. Aga kanhun tem brass band ka Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School, St. Margaret's High Secondary School, bag Auxilium Girls High Secondary School, kelawan Benengkong Baarbat Balai. Hakabede baka cultural program ke Pine Mount School, ke Auxilium Girls High Secondary School, ke St. Anthony's High Secondary School, kila yo ya ki kusnam na kabenta ke jingli abha jobki.